What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Triple C's. Drop them C's in the chat and let me know you're rocking with the kid. All right, look, guys, we have got to talk crypto, okay? We saw a huge drop in the market, over $19 billion erased from the market in Bitcoin alone, okay? All right, now we saw Bitcoin drop from 125,000, guys, all the way down to 108,000, okay? Let me know if you guys bought the dip, okay? Because at the time of this recording, we can see that Bitcoin has already came back up to around 114,000, okay? And it's starting to level off there, okay? So this is why I tell you guys, man, you cannot panic, okay? When you see the market come down, okay? If you want to see the market go up, guys, then you should be waiting for it to come back down, okay? Because it has to come down and get fuel in order for it to go back up, okay? That's just how it works, all right? So I didn't sell any of my Bitcoin when it dropped. I didn't sell any of my Bitcoin ETFs or anything like that, okay? If anything, I'm gonna add more, okay? So what we want to see next week, we want to see it maintain this 114,000, definitely Monday and Tuesday, to give it a chance to for us to see if it's gonna reclaim everything that it lost and then go back to all-time highs, okay? But we got a lot of different things that's going on in the economy right now, okay? So the tariffs with China and everything, that's what caused the major hit to start with, okay? So we got that and all that stuff going on. You know, the jobs report and we know the Bureau of Labor Statistics, they have started to compile those numbers and are getting ready to release those numbers since the government shutdown and everything, okay? So I'm gonna keep our eyes on that. All right, now gang, let's look at Ethereum and XRP, okay? Because I also see some real opportunity here, okay? I always tell you about the big three. So, and this is why I tell you guys, you cannot panic, you know, during situations like this. You know, this was like a kind of a it wasn't kind of, it was actual manufactured sell-off, okay? They came out with this news about the tariffs and then the market took a dip. But what happened immediately after that, guys, you saw big institutions come in, scooping in and scooping up Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP at these bottom prices, okay? So it's been reported that Bitmine, which is a treasury that I told you guys about, another stock that we are looking at on this channel, they came in and scooped up a bunch of Ethereum, okay, guys? So you have to follow the money, okay? So that's exactly what I'm doing. And these are the crypto stocks I want you guys to take a look at and keep your eyes on so you can have an opportunity to take advantage of the dip as well. All right, now, guys, when we look at Ethereum, we can see at the time of this recording, it is sitting at $4,125, okay? When it went down all the way to around, let's see, it was at, I believe, 3,500, guys. And now it's all the way back up to 4,100, okay? See what I'm saying? So it went down to 35, institutions came, swooped in, scooped it up, and now it's back up to 4,100, okay? I'm not saying that there's no chance that the market is not gonna take another dip, you know, on Monday. Look, it could drop a little bit further, okay? But I can see a quick rebound around the corner here, okay? So with that being said, guys, we're gonna take a look at BMNR, okay, which is Bitmine Emergence Technologies, which I was just telling you about, okay? We talked about this several times on the channel. So at the time of this recording, they're sitting at $52.47. After hours, they dropped to around $51.85, all right? Now, we're gonna keep our eyes on this because if Ethereum continues to rebound, then we know Bitmine is gonna bounce back next week, all right? We can see this going back up to around $55, okay? $55 to $60 next week if the recovery is swift, okay? If not, we can see it creep up to around 53, 54, and then into next week, maybe go up to 55, okay? But we're just gonna keep our eyes on this one. All right, now, gang, if you want to see more content like this, then go over to my website, crazycryptoclip.com. I will have the link down in the description for you guys. You can go over there and check out some more of my content, okay? If you want to learn how to trade stock options, you can also become a member and get access to the training videos and everything, okay? But look, guys, I am going to be switching up the content slightly here in the future. I am going to still be talking about crypto and still talking about stocks. It's going to be a little bit different, okay? Because I want to give you guys more informational content that's really going to help you, okay? It's going to be more about long-term wealth and the stocks that you can invest in and different strategies that you can use to build long-term wealth, okay? Yes, I love trading stock options, and that is a little bit faster way. But guys, the long way is the best way. Okay, so we're gonna be doing that here in the future, so be on the lookout for that. But look, that is all I have for you guys in this particular video. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, guys, and let's get this money.